Welcome to our coconut charcoal briquettes factory in the heart of Indonesia. We are a direct factory, where your needs are met efficiently and transparently. We take pride in our commitment to sustainability and ensure only the best, sustainably sourced shells make their way to our factory. Our coconut charcoal briquettes are completely natural and do not contain any added chemicals. Elevate your brand with our private label services, offering customizable packaging that reflects your unique identity, and you can freely customize our briquettes to meet your desired request, including the specifications, shapes, and sizes. Our rigorous quality assurance processes guarantee that you receive nothing but the best, meeting and exceeding industry standards, and also our offered price guarantees not just affordability, but represents a best value investment in unparalleled excellence. Contact us today and skyrocket your brand with our premium coconut charcoal.